Hey guys, doing a quick review for the Proscenic 850T robot vacuum. Just wanted to start by showing you guys the user manual here. It's got a lot of different features in it. It's a great little vacuum. Very helpful, very useful, very simple to get set up. Out of the box, it comes with the vacuum here. I've got it actually running in mop mode right now. So it's a 2-in-1 mop and vacuum. If you check the pictures, you can see that it actually has an app that connects to it that maps out where it's going through your house. So right now, it's making a map of my kitchen as it goes through. You can see it go across. It does a great job rerouting itself whenever it runs into something that it can't move. So we're going to see it hit the corner, and we're going to see it turn around. It'll find its edges, make its way out. Another great thing about this vacuum is it's not too loud. You can hear that it's going right now, but my dog over here, not at all freaked out by it. And normally, the dogs do not like the vacuum. So a couple other items in the bag that you can take a look at. It comes with a replacement filter, mopping pad, replacement filter, cleaning tool, magnetic barrier strip, repair adhesives, and 2 extra brushes for cleaning. And yeah, the reservoir is easy to fill and easy to empty out from the water, and does a really good job. Makes it very easy to clear out from the vacuum function as well. So not a huge capacity. It's a pretty small vacuum, but it's quick and easy to set up, real easy to use, and for the price, you really can't beat it.